Welcome back to our channel. Today, we are going to discuss a common issue that many drivers face, the blinking D-Drive dashboard light problem. If you've noticed your D-Drive light flashing on your dashboard, it could indicate a potential issue with your transmission or other related components. Symptoms of blinking D-Drive dashboard light. The D-Drive light on your dashboard starts flashing intermittently. You may experience issues with shifting gears or notice a delay in acceleration. Your vehicle may feel sluggish or unresponsive when driving. Causes of blinking D-Drive dashboard light. Low transmission fluid level. Faulty transmission sensor or solenoid. Electrical issues. Mechanical problems with the transmission. How to fix the problem. 1. Check the transmission fluid level and top it up if it's low. 2. Inspect the transmission sensor and solenoid for any signs of damage or malfunction. 3. Have a professional mechanic run a diagnostic test to identify any electrical or mechanical issues. 4. If necessary, repair or replace the faulty components to resolve the problem. Dealing with a blinking D-Drive dashboard light can be concerning, but it's important to address the issue promptly to prevent further damage to your vehicle. By following these steps and seeking professional help if needed, you can effectively troubleshoot and fix the problem. Remember, regular maintenance and timely repairs are key to keeping your vehicle in top condition. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tips and tutorials. See you in the next video.